guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's another vacation vlog. Woohoo! Okay, so it's officially the last week of summer. So this is basically my last weekend, and we plan to go on a trip. I'm gonna put you guys over here so that I can keep getting ready. Yeah, I think this does. Okay, all set. I'm wearing this cute little pink dress and I have my hoodie on. But yeah, we're supposed to leave in like next, I think half an hour. So I'm gonna get ready quickly and I'm gonna keep talking to you guys. Meanwhile, so basically this is my last weekend, like I said. And to be honest, my summer has been incredible. Like, so many things happened. I went for an internship right after my exams ended, like the very next day. I did quite well there, but I also got like super sick, so I had to rush back home. It took me about almost a month to recover from that sickness, and here I am, all healthy and good, touch wood. But anyways, I am going to be leaving for college next week. So me and my parents, we planned, take a little short break before, everything goes and I have to start hustling and bustling again in college. We're done, and now I'm going to go back, check if I've left something out. I'm going to put that in my bag and then we're going to head out. Our plan is today to get through the limousine. We're going, so it's supposed to be a 2-hour drive from here. So our limousine it's a car, like I showed my previous vlogs. It's a traveler car, but a luxurious one. Not bragging. But any which way, that car is supposed to take us to the island we're going, and we're staying at a beach resort just for a day, to get the laziness around. But yes, we'll be moving out in next 15 minutes, so come along. It took us almost 2 hours. Like I said, it'll take us 2 hours. So now we're here, and it's very, very, very pretty property. It's not that big, but the छोटे घर जो उन्होंने बना रखे, like this cottage, this is our cottage. I'm gonna show you guys अभी inside का पूरा, but then yeah, it's very pretty, it's very cute. And now we'll go around the property, देखेंगे इधर उधर जाके, and then we'll decide कि हमें पूरा दिन को कैसे प्लान करना है. Quick room tour. So this is what the cottage actually looks like, and that's the entrance door. So you go inside this one. There's another cottage beside. So you enter here. We have 3 beds because we're 3 of us, so 3 beds. That's the vanity space, TV, यहाँ पर chair and all. The cupboard, and there's a pretty good bath space also, huge. And yeah, so overall it's a very nice room. बहुत कम है अभी टाइड्स, वेव्स बहुत ज़्यादा कम है, वरना उस एंड पे एक्चुअली पानी चला जाता है रात तक. सो दिस एरिया जिस पे मैं अभी खड़ी हूँ इज़ लाइक द बीच एरिया पूरा, जहाँ पर पूरा पानी भर जाता है. आई थिंक वी आर गोना कम हियर अपने बेदिंग सूट्स पहन के एंड देन वी आर गोना एंजॉय.
Can we wait it for tomorrow? Tomorrow.
Mommy dearest is well prepared for her child, जो उनके हाथ के खाने के अलावा कुछ नहीं खाता. So we have गोभी का पराठा, we have dahi ballas, and we have slides, the Pringles का substitute. So it's nice. Hey vlog. Sorry I couldn't take you guys, but the moment we stepped out from our the cottage, it started raining. Okay, it was raining. ऐसे टिप हो रहा था. But then we were like, चलो चलते हैं, गीले ही तो होना है. We started, हम जाके भीग जाएंगे, it's fine. And the moment we came to the pool side, it was raining so badly. For the past 20 minutes, we've been sitting in the water, beach water, and yeah, we've been enjoying. तो अब बारिश थोड़ी रुक चुकी है. My parents are still in the beach water, and I'm going to take you guys there. Let's go. It's time we take a dip in the pool. बारिश रुक चुकी है, बिल्कुल रुक चुकी है. And actually the beach का पानी was very warm. It wasn't cold. ऐसे ऊपर से ठंडा पानी गिर रहा था and then नीचे we were in the warm water. It was pretty nice. It's 4:30 here and tides, जैसे मैंने कहा था, हाई टाइड्स हो चुकी है अब यहाँ पे, तो पूरा ऊपर आ रहा है instead of down there जब जैसे सुबह था. But any which ways, we're in our bathrobes and now we're going back to our rooms. हम change करेंगे, we'll wear nicer clothes and obviously take bath. And उसके बाद हम वापस आएंगे, we'll come here, we'll take cute pictures, we'll have food. After all, it's just a relaxing vacation. Okay guys, we changed into our outfits and we're going towards the beach to watch the sunset, and I hope it's beautiful because high tides ho chuki hai, like I said in my previous clips, and ऊपर तक पानी आ गया and it is pretty. Vlog, I changed into comfy clothes and I put like a hoodie on because यहाँ की हवा सच में बहुत तेज़ है यार. Like continuously चली ही जा रही है, बंद ही नहीं हो रही. So yeah, I think we're just gonna sit by the beach, and I also feel like a little sick. I don't know why, but okay, we have to deal with it. Also, यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ी family आई हुई है. They're staying in like this 2-story villa kind of thing, and यहाँ पर एक बच्चे की बर्थडे पार्टी हो रही है, तो फिर अंदर पूरा उन्होंने बुक कर रखा है. there's a joker there जो करके दिखा रहा है. so it's like very cute. उन्होंने सुबह बहुत सारा pool में खेला, they had fun there and now they're celebrating it there. And नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव जो भी कह लो, डिनर के लिए यहाँ कुछ भी अरेंजमेंट्स नहीं है बिकॉज यहाँ सिर्फ सी फूड अवेलेबल है और इंडियंस के लिए नॉर्मली वो सी फूड भी एडिबल नहीं होता नॉर्मली. लाइक मोस्ट पीपल डू नॉट प्रेफर टू ईट दैट सी फूड इवन व्हेन दे आर नॉट वेजिटेरियंस. तो दैट इज़ दैट. बस थैंकफुली मम्मा पैक्ड अ लॉट ऑफ फूड फॉर अस कि हमारा कल तक का काम भी हो जाएगा. सो वी आर डन एंड मैं तो डिनर करूँगी नहीं. That is all for tonight. I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning guys. It's 6:30 right now और हम बाहर आ चुके हैं उठ के because I swear कि मैं उठ के जाऊँगी सुबह सुबह बीच देखने के लिए. मुझे सनराइज़ देखना है पर यहाँ सनराइज़ नहीं दिखता है तो हम थोड़ा लेट उठे. एंड मौसम ऐसा इट्स यू नो द रेनी सीज़न इधर भी लाइक इन इंडिया. तो यहाँ पर भी बहुत ऐसा अच्छा बट डल बट देन अच्छा मौसम हो रहा है. एंड माई स्लीप वॉज प्रिटी नाइस. पर रात में मेरी 2 बजे आँख खुली ओनली बिकॉज एक छिपकली बहुत ज़ोर से बोली एंड देन आई सॉ हर मूविंग अराउंड द रूम. सो आई वॉज वेरी स्केप्टिकल ऑफ मूविंग ऑन माई बेड. तो मैं एक ही एंगल पे सो रही थी ना. आई जस्ट वोक अप ऑन दैट एंगल इटसेल्फ. बट एनी विच वेज द नाइट हैज़ पास्ड एंड वी आर हियर एट द बीच एंड इट्स अनदर ब्यूटिफुल डे. Ignore this. People here make a living out of selling fishes obviously. And कल रात में जब हम यहीं बाहर बैठे थे, we were sitting by the deck, तो यहाँ पे लोग टॉर्च लाइट्स अपनी स्कूटी की लाइट्स ऑन करके और टॉर्च लाइट्स ऑन करके घूम रहे थे. एंड देन पता नहीं आई डिडंट रियलाइज़ कि लोग कर क्या रहे हैं. बट देन अ मोमेंट लेटर जब वहाँ पर एक क्रैब दिखा भागता हुआ एंड ये लोग क्रैब पकड़ रहे थे वो फ्लैश लाइट में निकाल के. That's when I understood कि इनका क्रैब का भी बिजनेस है. So this at night all of them like the fishermen and all those people they come out to catch the crab. Crazy. And उसके अलावा हमें एक और इंसान दिखा था जो I think metal pieces find कर रहा था. That's what my assumption is because वो अपना वो rod और सिर पे वो headlight और पीछे अपना scraper लेके घूम रहा था. So yes. And look how many people are enjoying this. Usually in resorts we have like good breakfast, if not lunch and dinner, but we have good breakfast. यहाँ पर it's just okay. There are not a lot of fruits, there are not a lot of juices. Usually होते हैं, breads भी होते हैं, omelette भी खाने लायक होता है, पर अभी तो नहीं है. So this is what I'm eating right now and we'll survive on it. Cute. Okay guys, सुबह breakfast के बाद we went out for a swim again. Like literally हम जिस कपड़े में बैठे थे हम उसी में पूल में कूद गए एंड वी वर देयर फॉर एन आवर, आई थिंक मोर देन एन आवर, 2 hours मे बी. और फिर हम लोग आए, वी चेंज्ड इनटू आवर क्लोथ्स. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग. इट्स अ क्यूट लिटिल कॉर्ड सेट विद शॉर्ट्स एंड ये मेरा क्लचर मैच कर रहा है. एंड दिस बैंडाना, आई एम नॉट श्योर इट्स कॉल्ड बैंडाना बट या दिस इज़ क्रोशेटेड एंड माई मॉम एक्चुअली मेड दिस वन. कल जो मैंने ब्राउन टॉप पहना था that and this one, both of them were crocheted by my mom and they're extremely cute. So yeah, this is all for now and we're almost done with our packing and all. अब हम बस घूमेंगे और थोड़ा इधर उधर, you'll see. कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं करने के लिए. After all this was a relaxing vacation. तो हम इधर उधर डोलेंगे, maybe we'll go out. The good thing about this resort is it's exactly on the main road. It's not in the city. The city is that side of the sea. But yeah, इस जगह को Longhai कहते हैं and Longhai में ये main road पे है. So I think we'll go out on the road and check out the places. That's what we're going to do for now and then maybe an hour or 2 later हम लोग यहाँ से निकल जाएंगे. हमारी लेमोजीन हमें हमारे रिजॉर्ट से पिकअप करेगी एंड हम घर पहुँच जाएंगे. So let's enjoy the बचे कुचे थोड़े बहुत घंटे. Alright guys, everything is done. Ye trip has come to an end sadly. I think I required this trip because next week college start hone wale hai and it had to be something, you know, relaxing, extra relaxing, क्योंकि अगले 6 महीने तो मुझे break नहीं मिलने वाला है. The next break I'm gonna get is in December directly from today. So yeah, it was a pretty good trip. It was actually the best thing that happened to me this summer. I hope you enjoyed watching me relax on this trip. I also hope that you had fun watching this. So let's conclude this video. So this is going to be the end of today's vlog. Like and subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications. I will see you guys with the next vlog. That is college. That is probably going to be in college pretty soon. Have the day you deserve. Bye bye.